Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पणजे पुलिसांनी 3 जाणांचेर केस बुक केल्ली आसा इन कनेक्शन विथ LPG सिलिंडर. तेंचेर एलिगेशन आसा की ते खंय कांपाल एरियेन गाडी पार्क करून ते LPG सिलिंडर आसा ते भरलेले सिलिंडर एम्प्टी सिलिंडर आसा तितून ट्रान्सफर करताले. लोकल आसा तेंच्यांनी कंप्लेंट केली पुलीस स्टेशनचेर की जी गाडी आहे LPGची सिलिंडराची ते विदाउट सेफ्टी अशें करतात ते ट्रान्सफर करता म्हणून मागीर पुलिसांनी केस करून तेंकां 3 जाणां बुक केल्ली आसा.
People who are especially who have rationing for a month, so they know okay, the cylinder will come for at least 35-40 days, but when they get a cylinder, when the cylinder only is for comes for 20-25 days, then this is the reason why it's happening like this. They make the cylinder half and then they seal it again and they sell it. So people don't know what is happening. So if they can take the cylinder and go to house, they can even take a weighing scale, a proper weighing scale which is always checked where the cylinder has to be checked, and then only awareness should be there, and police should take strict action on people like this.